friends, welcome back to my channel again. Friends, today, friends, we each of us are responsible for this COVID to fight against. Friends, it is, friends, we are again and again hearing that there is lot of COVID cases are increasing. Then again, there's everywhere lockdown in India, and then lot of COVID cases, people are dying, and there's so many cases keep increasing, friends, and everywhere lockdown. We are in this kind of stress, and we are really going through a lot of confusion, and then stress, and then tension, friends. Please come out of this everything. You have a very good willpower. Just remember that we are together. We're gonna come out, overcome this. Friends, now we are seeing that there is everywhere lockdown due to this lot of cases are increasing. People are dying because of COVID, and then everything is locked down, and there is nothing to work, and we have to come back to house. That we are staying in the four walls, friends. So please don't lose your hope in your life, and this is just nothing. We have to overcome this crisis. This COVID is just a small thing. It is shaking entire world. Most of the countries is already they have overcome, and we are India little bit backward. That I'm sure in India, being an Indians, we can still overcome, friends. Yes, we can still overcome, and we have to take our own responsibility for us to overcome this pandemic. So especially there is lot of precautions we have to take, and please, friends, don't ignore and don't neglect, and it is our responsibility that we have to do together as a being a Indians, friends. So it is not that you will quit the job and you will go back to your hometown. It's not that you will just relax, and you don't want anything to hear. It's not that people are spreading gossip, and there's a lot of things you're hearing that there's 7 years, 5 years we're gonna face this crisis. No, it's in our hand, it's in our control, that we can do together as a family. It's as a Indian family we can achieve it, and we can definitely overcome this pandemic, friends. So I just want to give lot of precautions that if we are taking today, definitely we gonna come out of this pandemic. It is not so difficult that we have to follow. It is super easy. We all can do it, friends. I just want to tell you some important things, friends. Number one, when you go out, please use your mask. The mask can able to protect the virus which is coming out. And then the second, please keep wash your hands all the time, because when you wash your hands frequently, when you touch, when you go out, and when you come back to house, you are not notice that you are touching lot of things. You might be touching in the supermarket, or you might be in the office, that you are touching the table or whatever. Friends, when you come back, please go to your restroom, and then please take a hot water shower, and then clean your tongue, and then please wash your hands, which is very important. If you follow this all the precautions in your day, every day, so it makes you to get rid of the COVID from your house. If each of us are doing this, definitely, and India will be COVID free country, friends. Number two, friends, number two, as I said, it is very much important that you will never lose the trust in you, and then there is a hope in you, that is, maybe we call it as a willpower. Or please break that fear what you have about COVID. It's just a flu. You no need to take you don't need to worry. If you are enough strong, and if you have that willpower strong, then nothing will happen to you. Please believe in yourself that there is no COVID, nothing. That positivity what you carry throughout your day, and that is what you're getting away from the COVID, friends. And the third one, please take vitamin C as much you can. Go to sunlight, take a sunlight, and take vitamin C like lemon juice and then orange juice. There is some fruits which has a vitamin C. Please try to consume as much you can. Even if you don't have vitamin C, there is a tamarind in each every house is having the tamarind. Please at least make tamarind rasam that you can have it. Friends, then try to eat healthy food. Then again, try drinking 6 to 8 times of warm water, which makes your throat and then the whatever that the breathing respiratory system which is involved here in the throat, that makes you comfortable. And then it will not stay even if you are getting exposure to this viruses. It makes you when you drink warm water, it makes you free from it. Friends friends try to practice breathing, which is very important. Even if you get COVID positive, just go for a treatment on time, take a treatment. Even if you are doing with home remedies, please do it home remedies. And then please go to doctor, meet doctor immediately. If you feel that there is any symptoms like flu kind of symptoms, please go to doctor and then take a treatment. And that is one way where you can control your COVID spreading cases to other person. And then friends, if you are practicing breathing, so if there is anything worse in you, that there is a COVID is spread and your condition is not enough good, so when you do practicing this breathing, that will help you to stay better. Friends, and home remedies are very important. There's lot of home remedies with anti-inflammatory where you can consume directly. For example, like a ginger juice and then turmeric with honey. When you consume all this on day basis, like a 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon, it makes you to stay stronger inside. Friends, these all the small tips when you do, each person is doing in your house, so you are getting out of this COVID. When each family is doing, then we are out of this COVID. Friends, you don't have to have any kind of fear. Please, if you are staying in the house, think that it is a positive time that you can spend as a family time. Friends, you can do a lot of different activity, like you can go for your self development, which is so which is you can focus on your career. And again, if couples are there together, you can spend quality time for each other. And if it's a family, you can spend quality time. Friends, forget about what is happening about negativity. Please take a positivity in your family, that this is nothing you can overcome. When you follow a positivity in your life, that is what it comes positivity. When you think that it is negativity, then negativity comes in your life. Please think that we can get rid of this COVID. We all can responsible for this, and we all are need to stand together as an Indian family, and we gonna fight against the COVID, and we gonna get rid of this COVID. I'm sure that you all will do this. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Please please follow the precautions, which is very important right now. And don't hang out to the negativity, which whoever is spreading that there is about COVID gossips, and please stay away from it and do something where you can where your time means to you a lot, and then where it will make you to the next level of life. So please friend, if you just follow the precautions, it is my request, and we all can, as an Indian family, we all can overcome it. Thank you for listening, and take care. Love you all. Bye bye.